Right now, our economy sentiment score is sitting at a concerning minus 0.70, which is notably below the historical baseline. This drop indicates a significant shift in sentiment that you wouldn't want to overlook. Meanwhile, momentum is ticking up slightly at plus 0.29. It's a mixed signal that might catch you off guard. Our API delivers you granular insights into economic sentiment through 16 semantic clusters, allowing you to understand not just the numbers, but the underlying themes driving this sentiment. Imagine you're building an application that predicts consumer behavior. By integrating our sentiment data, you can adjust your strategies in real time based on the latest economic sentiment shifts. Dive deeper into this data and see how it can enhance your projects at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.